Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram post using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then log in your account. And now you want to go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen and click on the post that you want to delete. And now, as you can see here at the upper right side of the post, you can see three little dots. So just go ahead and click on that and scroll down until you see the delete option. So just go ahead and click on that. And as you can see here, you will be able to restore this post from settings, account, recently deleted, and within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So Instagram will give you 30 days so that you can restore this post. Okay, so now when you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click on delete. Let's just wait. So now, as you can see, that post is now deleted. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.